Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your general energies, we are picking these cards, guys: career situation and relationship. If you want more clarity, Virgos, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So, we have a special guidance for your relationship and career situation in the pick a card love reading. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's start with these cards here. We have Lady of Suns in reverse, Three of Spheres in reverse, Seven of Stars, Two of Stars in reverse, and Nine of Stars. So in your situation, guys, Virgos, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. Today, you have a lot of plans and you are making plans for your future, dreaming about your future, wishing for certain things to unfold, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship. But today you need to understand, see the reality today, guys. Maybe the people you are working with, they are not telling you the truth, or they have their own ideas and beliefs, and they are hiding some facts from you. So you need to be careful if your decisions are based on someone else other than you. You need to be really careful, Virgos, before making the choice or moving forward with that particular decision. So if you are taking conclusive actions in your work, maybe, or even in your relationship, do it only when you have that total trust on this person, because sometimes if you go ahead without thinking about the choice, it is going to lead you into a difficult situation, guys. You may face a financial loss in your work, or certain things may not be right. Maybe you may end up getting a bad name for yourself, and people may begin to see your carelessness or mistakes, and they may talk behind your back. So if you are making some important choices in your work or in your relationship, you have to do it only if you have that firm conviction on that other person. So this person is someone who is weak at heart. They may not stand by the words they are speaking, guys. So you cannot trust this person, you cannot rely on them, and they are not someone who stands by their words, so they cannot be trusted totally, guys. And maybe in your in your situation, it may be in your personal life, or it may be in your career situation, someone really close to you, maybe you ask this person suggestions, ideas. It may be a very close friend of yours, but today you need to be really careful, guys, when you are making some important decisions, because the things they say, it may not be something good for you. Maybe they have selfishness in their heart today, and something may not be right. So you need to be really careful with this person, guys, Virgos. And I also see that carelessness is not going to take you anywhere today. If you want your dreams and goals to manifest, You need to handle this day with caution. So, be taking a lot of precautions is going to help you out today, Virgos. So, be very careful when you are making some important choices today, guys. So, that is the reading for you all today, guys. If you want more clarity, guys, I have a special guidance for your relationship and your career situation. So you can stay tuned for that, Virgos. That is coming up right now. For your pick a card love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards each. So this is your pile 1 and this is your pile 2. So I have 2 cards, one card relating to your relationship and the second card for your career situation, guys. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then choose the pile that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first pile after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first pile. I will keep these cards aside. So for those who chose these 2 cards, the first card is for your relationship and the second card, this is for your career situation, guys. So let's see what is the first card for your relationship. It is deep knowing. So with this card, it just means that in our relationship, maybe sometimes when we meet someone, even at the first time, we will know that we will feel a deep connection with that person, and we will feel in our heart of hearts that this person is going to be a part of our life and they are going to play a meaningful role in our life. So sometimes when we cross paths with someone in our life, guys, maybe that person may be a stranger, but still we will feel a great familiarity and we will feel a connection at an impossible level. And that person leaves a mark in our life and we will feel a calling to that person, something pushing us towards them. So you need to understand that your intuition is guiding you today, and also the appearance of this card just means that whatever you intuitively feel about this person you are in connection with is the right thing, guys, and you need to trust your heart and you can go according to your intuition, and it is only going to take you towards the right path today, guys. So for those who chose this pile, this is the guidance for your relationship. So for your career situation, guys, we have this card, building blocks. So with this card, it just means that we have everything that we need to make iron into gold, everything into success. So it is time to build a strong foundation with a greater prosperity. So all you need to do is that build the strong foundation with the building blocks of our positive intentions, our dreams and goals, whatever we have. So when we build our career based on these positive intentions, we are going to reach abundance very soon, and our creativity is divinely inspired and it is going to take shape for the best for us, and we are always meant for success. When you have this positive intention towards your career situation, you are simply going to succeed, guys. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. For those who chose this card, the first 2 cards, that is the reading. So, for those who chose the second set of cards, the first card is for your relationship, guys, turquoise, and this is for your career situation. So, with this card, it just means that in your relationship today, you need to understand that you have a story of your relationship, and that story would have changed over time. You have grown so much, and you have accepted your role, and you are being really brave, courageous. You have acknowledged the mistakes that you did, and also the remarkable work that you have done in this relationship, and you have healed from the past, learned so much in this relationship. So, reframing what has happened is taking you towards a greater wisdom and strength. And if you are looking for a good relationship, you need to rewrite the story. If you want a partnership that you simply dream of, you must not only focus on the shortcomings or challenges, but also you should never forget your strength and whatever you have given for this connection, for this love, or for any relationship for that matter. So you need to reconsider your story so that you can rewrite the best one for you. So it just means that you have to remember all the positive things you have done in any relationship instead of brooding over the past and worrying about all the mistakes or negative things that has happened, guys. So that is the energy with this card for your relationship. So let's see what is the energy with this card for your career situation, guys, for those who chose this card. It just means that you are the person who will draw your own picture in your life. So whatever you need to do, it is right in front of you, guys, and you have the power to make everything work for you, magnify your abilities, and create a positive situation for you. And you are going to handle your situation in a much better way today. And maybe it is time you do everything by yourself if you want success for yourself, guys. So you have to use your creative talents to give your life a meaning and purpose, and that way you will be able to develop prosperity, and that is going to help you a lot today, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the energy here. So if you want success just like the way you dreamt, you should be the one who draws that picture. So it is in your hands, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for your relationship and career situation. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.